Yeah, welcome to this video, and the focus of this particular session is to teach you how to create a virtual environment, because in the previous video I told you about what virtual environments are and why you need them. So if there is anything you don't understand, go back to that video, watch it, understand it, and then come to this video where I'm going to practically show you how to create a virtual environment. So without wasting your time, I'm going to show you how to create a virtual environment. Now, if you came to Google and you search for Python virtual envs, I'm sure Google is going to take you to other pages that can show you how to install virtual environments. But the good news is we don't actually need these types of virtual environment because they are already available in Python 3. So yeah, this video is going to show you how to install a module called virtualenv, but that is if you are using Python 2.7 and below, and I doubt anybody is using anything below 2.7. But in Python 3.0, which is the focus of this video, virtual environment is a module that is already part of Python 3. So I'm going to go to the terminal and I'll show you how to create a virtual environment. So I'm going to go into a folder that I've created for my tutorials, a development folder. Let me see what I have in here. Okay, so I'm going to create a folder, and mind you, this is not required. I am just showing you how to create a virtual environment. You can do that in any folder of your choice. I'm going to create a folder called Flask Cat, and this is where I'm going to keep all the examples that I'll be doing with you. So I'll cd into Flask Cat, and then as you can see, currently there is nothing in here. Now, to create a virtual environment, you need to do Python 3 minus m. Minus m means you are invoking a Python module, and the module we are invoking is called venv, or virtual environment. So you say Python minus m venv, it means you are invoking the venv module of Python 3, and you want to call your the virtual environment env or vnv or virtual environment. Basically, you can give it any folder name, but conventionally people in the Python community love to call it venv for venv or env for env. Now once you type enter, it will take some time, and when I list the directory, you're going to see that there is a new folder called env. Basically, let me actually list what is in env, and you can see that it is a folder structure that is similar to your global Python installation if you have ever inspected your global Python installation. So the idea is, now in my folder, let me show you where I am. In the folder which is called FlaskTat, there is a new folder called env. Let me open that on my desktop for you to see. So if you come to FlaskStat, you can see that there is a folder called env, and inside env there is a bin, and inside bin there is Python 3, pip3, easy install, there is an include, a lib, and then a pyvenv config. Now basically this is a replica of your global Python installation, and what is going to happen is that now that we have created env in this FlaskStat folder, we can start using this particular Python instead of the global Python. Now to prove that, let me show you which Python is active now. If I do which Python on a Linux or a Unix system, which Python 3 is going to tell you that I am using the Python from usr local bin Python 3, which is my global installation of Python. So the question is, how do we activate the new virtual environment that has been created so that when I invoke Python 3, it is going to use that local replica of Python instead of the global Python installation. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video where I will show you how to activate our coolest friend on the block, our environment variable, and then we can start using it. Thank you very much. See you.